Today we just finished one span of the multi-span samples to show you some features of the design. So now let's start and come. So we just make the one span this time because the time is very tight. We need to hurry up the delivery because we assemble these sample tunnels and later we have to disassemble it and repack it and load in the container. So we just make a single tunnel for you to check. So you can see we just make two sections. You follow me? And this is between the pillars to pillars, between the arches to the arches. This is one section, and this is the two sections because we just make two sections. So we just show you the first gable in the first section. So you can show the above the first section structures. There are some braces here. This is the first section, but in the second section, this is the second section, and in the middle there will be no more braces in the middle. So that is the difference. And because we make the two sections, so we also show you the reinforcement on the gable end. This is the gable end. You will make the anchor on the ground, and the steel wires will link the arc and the anchors to reinforce the four sides. So in each gables, if you make 1 hectare in each gables, you will have this reinforcement on the both gable sides. So now I will show you how we fix the plastic for the drainage gutter. So now I show you the details.
这是我们牛头温室的一个水槽的安装部分，这边有一根 D 卡先跟我们的拱杆连接，然后薄膜拉下来之后用卡簧连接，然后另一侧一样有一根 D 卡跟我们的另外一侧的拱杆连接，然后这个薄膜就卡在另外一侧的 D 卡上，还有一个就会形成一个水槽的横度，这就是我们牛头温室的一个水槽。
So now you can see we are standing at the side of the tunnel. And now we zoom in the arches location on the top. We will lock a C profile here because this is the sample. We need to take it off. So we just make a small point indication to show that here is a C profile fixed on the arches on the gable. And then you lock the plastic by the lock wire. So here is just a small indication for you. But when you install the multi tunnels, there will be a long lock wire along with the arches angle and the length. So this is the design point to show you. So now here is along the length side. There is also there's a braces here, like this shape. It's to make a reinforcement in the first spans and the first sections on the sides to make reinforcement for the multi tunnels. And this is the side reinforcement by the steel wires and along the heads to the foundation, the arches. So when you make the foundation, you have to straw the hold for the arches and for the pillars and also for the side anchors.